Sorry, I just want to give y'all 30 seconds of slay real quick. Sometimes I have to let them know. Sometimes you gotta remind people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackie O. Today's video is going to be one that comes at really popular demand. I did a Fenty Body Lava tutorial a couple days ago and everyone loved the look. And I was like, okay. Don't line up too quickly, everyone. Today's video is also sponsored and done in partnership with Clinique. I'm gonna be working with them today to demonstrate the Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. Shout out to you, Clinique. Cheers to that for sponsoring today's video. Appreciate the support. And honestly, with all the hate that is going on online, I just always have to say thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, allowing me to get opportunities like this. I kind of like stopped doing makeup tutorials, but now I've been doing them lately and you guys have really, really been coming through for them in a way that like I've never had. So thank you for that. It really motivates me to do more tutorials like this one. I don't want to keep rambling because this look is hot though. This look is hot. I'm about to go to the Grove and stunt. I'm about to go and take some pictures. Oh, but make sure you subscribe first. 60% of the people who come and watch my videos are not subscribed. And let me tell you something, girl, freedom of choice. I get it. All right, I'm not judging. I love you nonetheless. You're still watching, you're still commenting, you're still supporting. Either way, I appreciate it. Subscribing is not gonna charge you anything. I swear to you, I would never lie to you. Anyway, I would really appreciate it and I'd love to just see you back on my channel. So, cut the talking, Jackie, get to the tutorial. I have a real problem. Why can't I ever just eat one Hershey's Kiss? Like, they're so good. That was fun to discuss. Let's put our hair back and get serious about this makeup. I'm gonna start off by priming with my Tatcha Silk Canvas Base. I'm obsessed. Please take this primer away from me. But seriously, this is really about to be like my spring summer jam. Like it just melts into the skin and I love the finish. You're just gonna make sure you blend it out all the way or else you don't get some purple streaks. So for the base, I'm gonna use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer. The color that I use is 24 Golden. Love the applicator. I mean, it's a lot, but if you're the only one using it, it's kind of nice because I can just place it exactly where I want it, girl. This is a full coverage foundation, 24-hour wear. It can be used for both foundation and concealer, hence the name Foundation Plus Conceal. It has a really nice matte full coverage finish, but what I like about this is it doesn't like set or dry down too fast. So there's room for playtime. There's room for experimentation. Put your foundation down, go ahead and then go do your taxes, wash your hands, dry out your wigs, do something. I love the flexible finish. It comes in 27 shades and she retails for $29. Don't even need to pump on a bunch to get the coverage that I like either. I wish more foundations had that applicator. And I usually go back around my mouth for a little more coverage. This area right here always clocks out early because you know you're talking, you're laughing, you're enjoying life, you're cursing people out. So this is where the most movement happens and that's where foundation, for me at least, tends to break up the quickest, which is really annoying. Then I go in with the shade. Do you like that hair flip? That was so over the top. Then I take Ginger. This is shade number 22. I think this is one shade. Okay, so 24 is Golden, 23 is Ginger, and I use Miss Ginger as a highlighter. And once again, because this applicator is just absolutely perfect for getting in them precise areas, it lets me do just that. I'm gonna go wide around my chin. Also going to go wide on my forehead so I can create width. I have the opposite problem. Most people want a narrow face. I already have a narrow face, so I'm trying to widen my face. This is the perfect yellow golden shade. This foundation is also super creamy, so it's real easy to get up in there. Get up in there, girl. Now loading Jackie's final form. See the sculpt coming back now? Hey! And I blend out the center of my forehead. Not as freely as I would with the brush. I'm kind of really packing that in. Make sure your beauty blender isn't too wet, by the way, because that's what takes up the product. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more ginger. Wait, no, just kidding. Yes, I'm gonna add a little more ginger. Right down here. I don't know why I didn't do that in the first place, but whatever. Hey, you win some, you lose some. When in Rome. As usual, I'm gonna have these linked down in the description box down below for you guys. So if you guys are interested in checking them out. And by the way, you can go to any Clinique counter and they will give you a 10-day supply of the foundation, which I always say this with every single complexion product. Get a sample, try it in different lighting. Actually get 2 samples. Try them on your chest, Try them wherever you want your foundation to match. You know Flash will snitch on you. Now we need to set all that pretty work that we just did with some setting powder. You know the drill, which by the way, they changed the packaging recently. And I'm like low-key proud of them because it's really cute. Look how cute this is. It's so official. Like I've never like wanted to finish a product so fast just so I can get to the new package. Now, because golden, in my opinion, is actually a bit more on the red side, I find that using a yellow powder kind of balances that out. Ginger is fine. Ginger looks more yellow than golden does. And I'm also going to stamp. This is not even necessary, but you know, some of us weren't blessed with cheekbones. We have to create them. Let me stop. I got a little something. The one little thing Angel does that I live for, Angel Marino, Mac Daddy, he takes like extra powder right here and lets it really cook around the sides of his nose. We're going to do the Anastasia. Anastasia is such a like regal name. So I take Brow Wiz. I love Brow Wiz. I'm gonna use Granite and dark brown. This brow looks like she pays her car note on time, like she has her own 3-bedroom apartment. She looks like she has a closet full of wigs. She looks like she has a 3-carat engagement ring. This one, on the other hand, can barely get the hell out of bed to save her life to get to class on time. Lags when she gets to school. Lags when it comes to paying her phone bill. Smashbox lid primer for my eyeshadow base. If they ever discontinue this primer, like why do they always discontinue all the really good shadow bases? Like, are y'all just like not buying them? Are we just living in an Urban Decay primer potion world no one else can keep up? Like, can we stop discontinuing all the good shadow bases, please? You guys, Soft Glam palette from ABH, like, girl, like, Soft Glam is me and she is I. Like, we're the same person. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be giving this palette the true shine it deserves in this particular tutorial because I only used one color, and that color is, I think, Sienna. Yeah, we're gonna use Sienna. And honestly, I'm only grabbing this just for, you know, just for being true, just for the sake of being true to the tutorial. You don't have to use this color. There are so many other like reddish brown crease transition colors I'm sure you probably have in your bathroom cabinet, guys, that you can use. I'm taking that and I'm blending into my crease area. Everything else that we're gonna use for this look is cream based, so hold on to your bra straps, guys. Honestly, if I had to pick a particular color that I love creating eyeshadow looks, all of my red or like burgundy looks end up being my favorite. Like, I just love the way red eyeshadows look on my skin tone. And as usual, we can expect top tier quality from the ABH shadows. Super pigmented, easy to blend out, foolproof. I don't have to keep messing with them. Another product and a brand I've been loving lately is Dose of Colors. These set the tone cream matte eye colors are so good. I'm gonna take the color Hit the Road, and it's a reddish color. I'm trying to find the brush that I used to blend this out with. Here we go. From Iconic London. This is a really good brush. It's from some brush set. I don't know, they gifted it to me. Anyway, this is perfect because this is a cream, so you want something that's gonna be not flim and floppy, like you want a really thick, dense brush that's kind of stiff. And I'm just gonna pat this on to the outer V of my eye. While you're blending, make sure you put your product face down so it doesn't dry out fast. It's a miracle. I haven't been doing Halo Eye in a couple weeks, guys. Alert the media. Feel free to go back and forth with Sienna, the crease color that we use, and blend around just to soften it out because, you know, cream can be a little tricky to work with. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush. This is from Sigma E20. Sorry guys, I kind of have to block the lens to do this, but I'm just drawing a line along my bottom lash line. Then using a pencil brush, I blended it out. Like, look at that. Look how stunning that is blended out. To enhance that even more, I'm gonna take this 24/7 Glide On pencil from Urban Decay in the color Alkaline. Just use any plum or red burgundy shadow. I'm sorry, red burgundy liner. And I'm applying that into my waterline. Seriously, like the lash line makes or breaks a look sometimes. I'm gonna take two really cute eye products. One that's gonna make you guys proud because I found a cheaper dupe for it. But these are these Stila Magnificent Metals eye situations or whatever. I love these. These are my jam all of 2017. Like when these first launched, they was hot. But Pixi actually recently launched a product that is the exact same thing. Like the exact same thing. The shade that I'm using from Stila is called Pigale, and it's like a red burgundy shade, and there's no this one is not as glittery and foily as the other ones they launched. So I'm gonna take that and kind of use that as a shadow base first, and then take my blending brush around the edges and just smooth that out. Look how beautiful that looks already. But we're gonna amp it up though. I don't feel like going back to my cream shadow, so I'm gonna take Mulberry from the palette. Okay, I got 2 uses out of it today, and go around the inner crease area just to blend it around the cream shadow. Then on top of that, I'm gonna take the Pixi dupe, which is in the color Passion Light. It's really cute, look at this. It's very glittery though, so if you don't like the silver specks, then skip this and just keep the Stila. But I'm gonna take that color and just pop it in the middle of my eyelid. Okay, I'm gonna let my lash glue dry. You guys, I'm the only person who didn't know that Bellamy had false lashes, and they're like low-key bomb, like high-key bomb. Okay, they don't look that cute on camera or whatever, but I saw these at the store the other day and I was like, hold up, that heifer got sprinkles? So this is in the style Bisu Bisu, and I think this is a part of a collection, but these are super cute, very wispy, very flirty. So because I'm quite the multitasker, I'm gonna put the glue on the falsies now and let them dry while I do my liquid liner and mascara. Grandiose liner and Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's not the only mascara I use, but it's a top contender for sure. And I'm only lining like half of my eye. Ah, now my freaking lash glue dried. So annoying. I left it too long. This is a lash. And I like the fact that it flares out so far that, because you guys are always roasting me about the lashes, and I get it. I love big lashes. That's just me, okay? I might as well be from Texas because I just like everything extra and big for no reason at all. Well, I am Nigerian, so that explains that. But the lash is good because it doesn't have the eyes, so it's perfect. And for this look, you definitely want to bronze because it's spring and we want it to be soft and very subtle. So I'm gonna take my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder and, you know, just hit the spots where the sun shines so we can be sun-baked and bronzed. You can kind of go all over the face with this as like a all over, just like a last finishing step. Take a peach blush. This is Hot Tin Roof liquid blush from NARS. It's a nice dark coral color. And yes, I know I went in. It's cool though. I'm wiping it off. I'm wiping it off, don't worry. It blends out pretty sheer, and you know what? When it doesn't, like if you can't sheer down enough, just take a brush with translucent powder and just gently go over it to soften it out. It's cool. It's like it never happened. I love this Face Glow Cream Shimmer Stick from Natasha Denona. I swear this woman's entire line is made for chocolate skin. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that, kind of like as a cream shadow base first. And then I'm gonna take this highlighter from Persona Cosmetics. This is in the shade, hey, focus, dude. Okay, all right. That was not how that was supposed to happen. This is one of our Cali Glow highlighters in the shade Zuma. All the way up into my temples and my forehead. And last but not least, we're gonna line our lips with a skin tone colored liner. For me, that's BFF3 from ColourPop. And then I've been really loving the Natural Love Collection lipsticks from Too Faced. Too Faced just gets it right for me with lipsticks. Like honestly, these lipsticks are super creamy. So the shade that I'm gonna take is Skinny Dippin', and I love the coverage. I love the finish, and you know she loves a peachy nude, girl. So I saw this and I was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. That's it. Feel free to use any setting spray of choice. If you use setting spray, I'm gonna take this mattifying one from Boscia. Basha. Never quite figured out which one was which, but hey, the more the merrier. And that, my friends, and my wig is the final makeup look. So here is the final look. I love you guys to pieces, and thank you so much for constantly supporting this channel. Shout out to you again, Clinique, for sponsoring this video. And I know you guys already know what's gonna happen, right? I'm gonna put the next video here, and you're not going anywhere. You're gonna watch it, okay? I didn't put all this work and blend in my crease color for you to just click out at this point. So do the right thing, and I won't come for you, all right? Don't worry, I'll wait. You ain't doing nothing else, are you? Exactly, that's what I thought.